All right, so you're a big fan of purple, Kirk.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I'll have you know that you can already download the new purple iPhone 12 wallpaper for your device right now. You can live that purple lifestyle even though the phone doesn't exist yet. It was a very uncharacteristic thing. Apple just put out another color for the iPhone 12. I mean, there's nothing new about it. They just got everybody jazzed up. They're all about colors. They made such a big deal about colors for the iMacs, and so they did this purple iPhone at a seemingly weird time.
But it's like not a bad. It's like about halfway on the cycle.
It's a halfway, yeah, something like that. Yeah, I guess maybe people who were holding out are now they're like, I'll pull the trigger now because there's a new color, and when people see my purple, we got a purple flame in the back today.
Yeah,
it's very similar purple. Anyway,
well, I mean, like, look at the old earpods. Like when the iPod came out, colors really matter to people. The white headphones meant something. You were a certain type of person. Right?
There's a huge personalization aspect right now, and so I'm sure they did the math on this. They're like, look, we can boost sales by like whatever number. We just need a new color. Well, what color don't we have? Oh, purple. We should have more purple. Yeah. Okay, cool. Boom, purple. Done. Anyway, you can't get it yet.
You can't get it? Oh, the purple iPhone. But the wallpaper you can get.
Yeah. No. No, you're right.
The purple iPhone, all the stuff they talked about actually at the event. I don't think there's a single thing you can order right now. You have to wait till the end of April and then stuff comes mid-May.
Where can you download this?
But you can that's it right there. That's right here? Yeah, that's the full res. Yep, you got no. Right, what you're looking at. That's the full res. Yeah, just click on it. Yeah, there you go. You can go ahead and try out purple on your iPhone or any device for that matter. See if it's for you. See if you're into it.